I've got a new cell phone and I need a tempered glass for it. It's only one place to go, 888 Chinatown Mall. Okay, we're here, 888 Chinatown Mall. This is the best place to get any accessories for your cell phones, cell phone covers, screen protectors. If you want something for your cell phone and you can't get it here, you probably can't get it. Right, I'm heading up to the top floor. Okay, we have to cross the bridge now. There's places you can get tempered glass screens for your cell phone pretty much everywhere, but I usually go just over the bridge. This actually crosses the road, this bridge. Just go from one building to the other. And where I normally get my stuff for my cell phones is just here. They always seem to have stock, so you always come back here. Right, tempered glass for my new phone.
Yes, sir.
Tempered. Yeah, tempered for that.
Tempered glass for this unit, sir.
Yeah.
Do you want a full one, sir?
Huh?
Full?
What do you mean full?
For this one, cover all your screen.
All the glass?
Yeah.
Why? What's the other option?
Other option is for 100. It's not.
Oh, so it's
full.
not.
Yeah.
Full is better?
Yeah.
How much?
250. I give it to you 200.
Okay. So it's not 100. 100 is only for this one.
Yeah. For the 100 one, it's not fully full. Fully full.
All right, no problem. I'll get that.
Go for the 200, sir.
200. Have I just been scammed? Apparently I've got the better one for 200 pesos. Not the 100 pesos, which is the one advertised everywhere. I'll trust her judgment. He wouldn't have me over for 100 pesos, would he? Nah, they've never had me over before. They usually give me a discount here when I come as well. So I'll trust their judgment. I'm getting the better tempered glass. Okay, all done. 200 pesos. Can't complain. And now I'm going to have a look around. Then I'm going to go downstairs. And I'm going to cross back to the old building to get my bike. The old-fashioned way. I'm going to cross the road. I'm not going back over the bridge. Here's the food area. Lots of choices of snacks. Xiaomi are usually fairly cheap. Not bad. Under 6,000. Well, that was 888 Chinatown Mall. I got what I needed. A successful trip. And that bridge up there, that's what I crossed over originally. I'll just have to cross the road to get back. So thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.